do you ask us to pray? But yet our flesh is weak. We often see our brother or sister in need, but yet we assume they are okay. When God tells us to pray for each other, we should